Hi guys, if you're watching this tutorial, it's more than likely that you want to know how to make a mask snout, a bit like this. Now, I believe this tutorial works alright for basically any animal. However, I recommend it mainly for things like house cats with long snouts, such as an oriental shorthair, which is what I'm making in this video and the mask I'm wearing right now. So, let's get on with the video. However, before you begin to make your mask, obviously you're going to need materials, which I'm going to show you right now.
You're going to need EVA foam or cardboard, a mask, a hot glue gun, a pen, scissors and optionally foam clay. Ignore my ugly mannequin, but you're going to start with your mask and trace out the following lines, and then you're going to cut them out so you have a shape left over just like this. On a piece of paper, draw out a shape that looks like this and cut it out. Compare it to your mask to see if it's the right length or shape that you want. You can always adjust this later on if you want it to be shorter or longer. It's going to be this part of the mask, by the way. What you're then going to want to do is trace out the shape twice onto your cardboard or foam. You're then obviously going to want to cut it out. Compare the cut out pieces to your mask. Are they the right length? Are they too big? Are they too small? Just double check. Once you're happy, stick the foam/cardboard onto the mask just like this. This part is a little bit tricky to explain, so just follow the steps that I'm doing in the video. This process that I do, usually one side ends up looking a little bit larger or overlaps the other a bit too much. So make all the necessary adjustments. You can always fix this later with your foam clay. Here we're going to make a pattern again. So this time just kind of hold your paper against the nose bridge and make a little right angle triangle. Make sure it looks like it would line up properly. Once again, if it doesn't, you can always cover this with foam clay. Also then trace it and cut it out again. Stick down your two pieces for the nose bridge. It should look something like this. Now you're almost done with the muzzle. This step is optional, but it makes the final results look a lot better. If you fill up the gaps with foam clay, then it looks like this. Now here's your final results. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and remember, if you did, then leave a like and subscribe.